Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial video. This is going to be a short tutorial how to see all the answers in Google Forms. So how do you go about this? First off, check out the link in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. So now let's get into it. Okay, so you've opened up a Google form. You've opened up a Google form on your browser and you're trying to answer some of the questions. This has to be a form that has been filled out and sent. So anywhere on the document or on the form, all you need to do is just simply right click and then click on view page source. And once you're in the view page source menu, all you need to do is simply use the keys, which are Control and F, to use the search feature. That's the find feature on your browser. Now head back to the forms and then the question. Just simply go ahead and highlight the question and then use the Control C key to copy the question. Head back into the Google Forms inspect or the view and then paste the questions here. Now once you've pasted the question, all you need to do is just use these up and down arrows to simply go through all the values, and you would find the answers to your questions there highlighted in the view source. So guys, that's how you can easily accomplish this. Comment down below if you have any questions, and don't forget to check out the link in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. Leave a like and also subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thank you.